Fremont. We on Fremont. Still on Fremont. Dirty Bro, go. Vamos.
We make a pit stop at Fat Tuesdays, where we stop and get some drinks, and then we move on to the souvenir shop.
You know, how many more days you gonna be here?
Man, just a couple more days.
Yeah, take this with you, man. This is free. Is this you and the wife?
Yeah. Oh, Freddie Cook, Ruger. Freddie. He looks dangerous. He looks dangerous. Do not go to sleep around that guy. Do not go to sleep around that guy.
The street performers are ready to turn this concrete into their stage.
Just to the corner. Yeah, it get way lit at night. They don't even have the zip line running right now. Yeah, I just noticed that. Artistic and ready to fuck. That's what the shirt says. Oh, shit. Yeah, something right like that. Yeah, I'm quite sure they do. Yeah, let's go and get our drinks first. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hell to the no. I say hell to the no. Yeah, let's get some sunglasses. Yeah. About to get some sunglasses.
Big John, you guys gonna be in town today? I work right here. How many more days you gonna be in town?
Just a couple more.
You guys look at it. Work right here.
What we gotta do for the free passes. Oh, fight the copyright. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take all the music out of this video. Excuse me. Oh, here go sunglasses right here. These like women's sunglasses.
You think so? Okay, let's go.
Yeah, these look really, really cheesy.
2 people. I'm gonna get some.
It's for who? I'm surprised you got something for Michelle.
Yeah.
Oh, I shouldn't say that. I'm gonna edit that out. I'm gonna edit that out. Come on, let's go this way.
You know, how many more days you gonna be here?
Man, just a couple more
Yeah,
days.
take this with you, man. This is free. This you and the wife?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
beautiful.
And what we got to do for it, bro?
You guys know what the Cosmopolitan is?
Yeah.
We just did a remodel. We have people take.
Oh, yeah, no, we just talked to the
did-
girl. We okay.
Yeah, we
Thank
just
you.
did one of those. All right. You too, bro. You too, bro. Have a blessed day. You're right. Come on, let's go to Fat Tuesdays.
But people was lifting and you had to stand there for 10 minutes and hang.
What happened to the thing that you used to hit down? Remember that thing? See how strong you was?
Oh, that might be that. But no, it was one that you hung right here.
Oh
See
yeah.
you strong and you get like $200. Everybody was doing it. Nobody can make it.
I'll be the motherfucker that make it.
I don't think so, dude.
Shit. But we just getting a drink, right?
Yeah, I wanted the hot one. I don't want nothing too heavy.
Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this video like about here somewhere, and we're gonna run here on Fat Tuesdays, get a drink, and we out. Have a dirty day. Dirty bro go. Vamos.